The Great Race. A long time ago in China lived the Z Emperor. It was his birthday. He wanted to measure time to know how old he was. All the animals arrived. The emperor decided to have a race to give a name to each year of the Chinese zodiac. The rat and the cat couldn't swim very well. Could you take us across the river? Yeah, jump on quick. They swam across the river, and the rat pushed the cat into the water and jumped onto land. Well done, rat. The first year will be the year of the rat, and the second will be the year of the ox. Look, here's the tiger. He is very tired. The third year will be the year of the tiger. The rabbit can't swim, but he is very clever. The fourth year will be the year of the rabbit. Where are you led, dragon? You can fly. I had to make some rain for thirsty people to drink. Well done. The fifth year is the year of the dragon. What's this? I can hear a horse. No, it's the snake. So the snake had a sixth year. Well done. It is good to see you working together. The goat eats the monkey in knife, and the rooster eats ham. Sorry, Omelette. The water is clean and I needed a bath. The 11th is the year of the dog. You are the last. Yes, I had to eat and sleep on the way. The last is the year of the pig, and that is how the emperor chose the animals for the Chinese zodiac.